There are some important numbers that I want to show you. This is the report from the Florida Department of Law Enforcement, and it shows all of the people who died from drug overdoses last year in Florida. And while fentanyl remains the #1 killer, there's a new drug that is showing a shocking increase. I'm senior reporter Ryan Kruger. I've been covering the drug overdose epidemic in Florida for more than 2 years, and these new numbers are raising some concerns.
Last year saw a glimmer of good news in Florida's fight against fentanyl. Drug overdose deaths caused by the synthetic drug dropped by 10%, but the number of people dying is still staggeringly high.
It's beyond epidemic proportions, but a lot of people aren't aware of just how drastic the problem is.
Dr. Allison Tarlow is a certified addictions professional at Boca Recovery Center. That organization analyzed all the reported overdose deaths in the U.S. and found in Florida, 19 people every day are dying from drug overdoses. While fentanyl remains the #1 killer, another drug is making a comeback.
Flakka or bath salts, again, sort of on the rise. And sometimes that happens because it's just somehow an availability thing. It's sort of supply and demand.
The report from the FDLE showed deaths from synthetic cathinones, mostly known as bath salts or flakka, increased by more than 100% last year. Tarlow says while law enforcement has cracked down on fentanyl, users have turned to other drugs. She says more funding is needed for treatment and harm reduction.
Not enough typically has been done. We're starting to see more, but in general, we know that more does need to be done, not just in Florida, but across the United States.
Ryan Kruger, Fox 4.